Traditional tank cleaning is inherently dirty and dangerous, relying on manual labor within hazardous conditions. At Allerion, we make tank cleaning safe and simple, reducing risk and uncertainty. We are committed to innovating until tank and vessel cleaning is fully automated. Our projects start with a detailed digital twin of the tank and the worksite, keeping teams clearly aligned. Our patented non-entry cleaning systems are tailored specifically to your tank and vessel needs, providing efficient solutions for every scenario. Our ATC lance is used when the sludge level is above the manway. Its powerful mixing rapidly clears sludge, permitting entry or installation of other tools. For fixed roof tanks with excess residual, jet mixers efficiently remove sludge and can be combined with roof nozzles and max nozzles for thorough cleaning. For external floating roof tanks, we utilize jet mixing, roof nozzles, and max nozzles for complete, thorough cleaning. Internal floating roof tanks with steel decks are cleaned similar to EFR tanks. Other roof styles are cleaned with shell-mounted solutions. Heavy oil tanks accumulate stubborn residual on walls, floors, and heaters. Our high-pressure automated cleaning tools provide the force necessary to remove deposits, minimizing hydroblasting and manual extraction. Our integrated solutions include nitrogen generation, chemical treatments, solid separation, and efficient waste management. In addition to tank cleaning, Allerion offers a full range of industrial services to support your operation. Allerion safely handles complex industrial cleaning projects. Connect with us today and take control of your cleaning.